there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix issue where your Scent diffuser is not working, so you can reset it, and this is how you're going to reset it. So what you want to do, you want to ensure the diffuser is completely unplugged from the power outlet. So first, unplug it. The second thing that you want to do, you want to find a button, this button 35%, or it's going to also call like L2. Now, when you're going to find it, the 35%, it's going to look like this. Then what you want to do, you want to press and hold the 35% button or L2 button, hold it, and while you're going to hold the button, you want to plug it back into the electricity. And while like holding the button and you're going to put to the electricity, then what you need to watch for, a red light on the diffuser to start flashing. So red light is going to flash. And when you're going to see the red light flash, just let go of the L2 button, and it's going to, the reset process has been successful. Then you're going to wait 10 seconds, and then the process is going to complete. And this is how you're going to do it. I just want to make this quick video for you. Hope it helps you. First unplug it, then press and hold 35% or L2 button, then plug it back again. Then the red light is going to start flashing. Then take out your finger, and then do not press any buttons for like 10 seconds, and it's going to reset itself. Have a great day, and goodbye.